The Lane Keep Assist system alerts the driver that the vehicle is not being kept within its lane by vibrating the steering wheel, activating a sound, and showing an alert in the display. The forward-sensing camera detects the white and yellow lines of the lane the vehicle is travelling in and determines whether or not the vehicle is deviating from that lane. If the late function is set and the Lane Keep Assist system determines the vehicle may go outside of its lane, the system assists the driver in steering the vehicle back to the centre of the lane. When the early function is set, the system constantly assists the driver so the car stays near the centre of the lane. The late and early steering assist timing settings can be changed through the personalisation features. To turn the system on, press this switch. The system goes into standby mode when turned on. If the steering operation assist setting is turned off, the Lane Keep Assist system standby mode indicator does not turn on. Drive the vehicle in the centre of the lane, and when the vehicle speed reaches approximately 37 miles per hour and the system detects the lines on the road, the system goes from standby to operational. If you then want to change lanes without activating indicators, you may feel a soft resistance while changing the lane. The Lane Keep Assist system will not work when using turn indicators. You remove your hands from the steering wheel, the vehicle deviates from its lane repeatedly within a short period of time, or when lane lines are not detected. Also, the Lane Keep Assist system operation is temporarily cancelled when the steering wheel, accelerator or brake pedal is operated abruptly. The Lane Keep Assist system becomes operational again when the system detects lane lines while the vehicle is being driven normally within its lane. The Lane Keep Assist system is not an automatic driving system. If you take your hands off the steering wheel, a warning sound is activated and a message is displayed in the multi-information display. Be aware that when the Lane Keep Assist system is switched on, the traditional vehicle characteristics that you are used to differ significantly. In these instances, the vehicle takes a more active role by assisting you with steering and braking. For more details, please refer to your owner's manual.